Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will describe about Node.js Express framework. So what is Express framework? Node.js is a Node.js web application server framework which is especially designed for building single page, multi-page and hybrid web application. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework. It provides robust set of features to develop web and mobile application. It facilitates the rapid development of Node.js node-based web application. So Express is the backend part, sometimes known as the main stack. So what is main stack? The main is a free and open source JavaScript software stack for building dynamic website and web application which has the following component. Main first M is MongoDB. The MongoDB is the standard NoSQL database. Express.js, the default web application framework. Angular.js, the JavaScript embassy framework used for web application. Node.js framework used for scalable server-side and networking application. The Express.js framework make it easy to develop an application which can be used to handle multiple types of requests like get, put and post and delete requests. The following are the some of the core features of Express framework. It's allowed to set up middleware to respond to the HTTP request. The define a routing table which is used to perform different action based on HTTP method and URL. It's allowed to dynamically render HTML page based on passing argument to the template. The most important module along with the Express, one is the body parser, another is the cookie parser, and another is the malter. Body parser. This is the Node.js middleware for handling JSON, raw text, and URL encoded from data. Cookie parser parse cookie header and populate request dot cookies with object keyed by the cookie name. Multi use, this is the Node.js middleware for handling multi-part from data as like file upload. Request and response. Request object. The request object represent the HTTP request and has properties for the query, request query string, parameter, bodies, HTTP headers and so on. Response object. The response object represent the HTTP response that an Express app send when it get an HTTP request. So now I will describe about routing of Node.js Express framework. Routing differ to determine how an application responds to the client request to a particular endpoint, which is URI or path and specific HTTP request method, guest, post, and so on. For example, a client make a get, post, put, and delete HTTP request for various URLs, such as example below localhost 3000. This is the put, and this is the parameter request parameter, and this is the 3000 foot, and this is students parameter. This is the routing. The general syntax for a route show as app.method and then path, then handler. So here app is an instance of Express module. Here the app is the instance of Express module. Method is a HTTP request. It may be get, post, put or delete. Path is a path on the server, and handler is the function executed when the route is messed. So Node.js is a web application server framework, and Express Node.js Express is a web application server framework. Its backend part sometimes is known as Mean. It's work with MongoDB, and also Mean is MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node.js. So we can easily develop web application by Node.js Express framework. It basically use the when use for RESTful API Kit, and Express is very powerful web application server framework of Node.js. Thank you.